Picture a caveman. Imagine a tiger's jumped out in front of him and that caveman goes, he's going into fight, flight or freeze response. That big breath in is getting his heart rate going, his blood pressure up and the cortisol going around his body. So he's ready to either fight that tiger, run away from that tiger or completely freeze. Now, that's a really useful thing to do if you're confronted by a tiger. Not so useful if you need to go to school, need to go to work, go out, do something that sets up those stress responses in you. But the solution is really easy. Just as that caveman does the big breath in, all you need to do to change the reactions in your body is do the opposite. So a smaller breath in, bigger breath out. By doing that, you reverse the physiological reaction. So this breathing technique isn't mind over matter, it's not mindfulness, it's a really physical reaction. So imagine the caveman, he would breathe in from his chest because he is in a panic, he's ready to run. When we're calm, we breathe from our stomachs. So you want the breath to come from your stomach. And if you can breathe in and out through your nose, do that. But if you can't, don't worry. The technique is called 7-11. You can look it up on Google. So the idea is you breathe in for 7 and out for 11. Don't worry if you can't do that. Breathe in for 3 and out for 5. As long as the in-breath is shorter and the out-breath is longer, that's the bit that makes a difference. That will lower your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and encourage relaxing chemicals to go around your body rather than those stress ones. So let's just do it now really quickly. Hand on your tummy and breathe in, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's great. Now, doing that when you're feeling particularly stressed or anxious is quite difficult. So what I suggest you do is practice every day for 10 minutes. That way your anxiety and stress levels will reduce, generally speaking, so you'll just bring them down over time. But it also means your body will know that when you're doing that breathing, you're going into that relaxed state, and it'll be much easier when you're stressed out. If the idea of doing a breathing technique just fills you with horror, I get that. But go and get some bubbles. It's exactly the same thing. In, 2, 3. In, 2, 3. Much more fun. Enjoy it.